one of the best places to stay in Zanzibar. In this video, I'll be trying to make it all the way round to Jambo Disco. On the way, you'll see my hotel and price, the legendary Paje Village, and is there really no ATM available there? Then trying to get all the way round to the beach at Jambo Disco. Can it be done?
Don't ever do this. Don't walk in the hot sun.
Let's find out. Right, starting from my hotel room. So I'm staying at Mahali, which is a 3-star hotel on Paje Beach, Zanzibar. It averages around $100 per night. I paid a bit extra because I've got a really nice balcony, really close view of the beach. In fact, it's probably better views than some of the 5-star hotels I've stayed in. It's got the view of the bar, the pool is down there, the restaurant's there. I'll show you that in a second. Here's the room. So the bed is over there, mosquito beds, all that's pretty clean. A desk and fridge there if you want to buy anything. Just power and lamp and stuff. Storage and the safe. Now the bathroom is quite big actually. Sink there, toilet there, the shower's quite big. That scared the shit out of me, this shower did. Expecting it to come out here, but let it come out here! What? Because of that. And there's windows there. You can see the quality's a bit not 5-star quality. You can see like the grime a bit and stuff, but it's okay, you know. Anyway, let's go out. I'll show you downstairs. I better knock this thing. Okay. So you got to go down these stairs every day. Mind your head on this thing. Yeah, the swimming pool is here. Let me show you the beach quickly. There's places to sit here. Shower, and the restaurant is behind here. So the beach at Paje is on the east coast, so you get the sunrise, not the sunset. Crystal clear water, as you expect from Zanzibar, but it's more beautiful late in the afternoon. In the early morning, the tide is quite far back, and you can sit next to the beach at the bar, restaurant, have a burger, whatever. It's the first time I've seen a fish burger in Tanzania, and it's pretty good. I don't know why they don't sell it everywhere. And the breakfast area on first floor overlooks the pool and beach as well. Right, let's move on out of the hotel into the village. Let's go. So right next to Mahali, where I'm staying, is a place called Paje By Night, which has this fantastic swimming pool. You can also stay here, which is slightly cheaper. These kind of pools probably attract like younger folk, like backpackers and stuff. People want to have a good time. Younger people, but probably older people probably wouldn't stay here though. Definitely worth checking out if you're here. Moving on back into this village now. The village is a must visit. Expect a huge contrast between hotel life and village life. People are friendly and happy when you visit their shop. You'll also see how people actually live in their concrete houses. The best thing to do is just walk around and get lost. But I'm on a mission for an ATM if that's possible. Interesting to see the local villagers and animals hanging around as well. Hello. Yeah, cow. Looks like I'm getting out of the village a bit more onto the main road and everything. Some guys building this building with arches on it and circular arches. Let's have a look at this building and see what's going on. Oh, it's a mosque. Oh shit, I didn't realise. I thought it was a school, but it wasn't. It was a mosque. I saw people praying inside the door. Right, moving on. This is where you get your petrol from. Remember, I was going to get an SD card from this guy, but they only have like 4 gigabytes SD cards, so they don't really have much. That's not going to last like 5 minutes. But they do have an ATM. I found the ATM, it's here. So I'll go there now. Looks like that doesn't work. It doesn't accept my card, so I'm on a mission now to try and find an ATM that actually works. I've never heard of this bank, whatever it is. Now it's working now. I'll just try it one more time. So it doesn't seem to be working here. I have to find another one. I doubt there's another one here. Looks like it's working. got that one working, NBC Bank, which they have that in Dar es Salaam. But I must have withdrawn my cash about 10 times, all the different options. There's some options, 200,000, 400,000, so I had to choose 200,000 because they probably didn't have enough cash or the right notes in there. And then there was savings, credit, universal, which type, so choosing the wrong type, so I think it was credit I chose and 200,000, so that seemed to work. I have that trouble sometimes here.
Okay, ATM success. Let's see what else is available in this village.
So I'm just heading down the road in the village for a bit, see what's down here. I think towards the end you get back on the beach, but it's down further. There's a disco down there somewhere, but they said it's shut because of Ramadan. I think it's open Friday. I might try. Pharmacy over there, jewelry shop over there, TV shop, restaurant over there. There's a few tourists on bikes, there's people coming home from school, there's ice cream shops. See, I miss this village vibe. You don't really get this in Dar es Salaam. There's barbecues around. It's quite a nice village actually. There's more to do here than Nungwi. Nungwi was just like proper backstreet village, but here there's like a main road. It feels more like a small town than a village. I wouldn't mind trying to find a place for a pint, but it's Ramadan. There's not much going on. Interesting houses around here. Look at this. So I found a hospital here as well. There's a bakery here, a supermarket here, and a hospital over here. This place is more than a village. It's definitely a town for sure. It's got like nearly everything. Turn right here already. Straight down there's the beach and then Jambo Disco at the end. So let me see if I can find it. I know it won't be open yet, but let's go.
So now moving on, let's find Jambo Disco.
Definitely wouldn't go down one of these at night time, I don't think. It's okay during the day. I was going to come down here at night, but not on my own. I wouldn't go down these alleyways. If you look at them, it can get very dark at night. I tell you, it gets a bit daunting sometimes. Must be the bungalows for that disco, Jambo bungalows or something. See, this is what does my head in about Tanzania. There's so much property near the beach that when you get to the beach, you can't get to the beach. You get all these private property right in the front of it. So this is like, looks like somebody's house. Like, I don't know whether I can go in there or what. And it's like that a lot, even in Dar es Salaam. It's like property are blocking your way to the beach. All building hotels at the front. Everybody doing that here in Zanzibar. Excuse me, how do I get to the beach? Can I go through here to get to the beach? Yeah. This way? Yeah. And then something like that, something. It's the first time I've seen a sign telling you how to get to the beach. It's like that in Tanzania. All the properties blocking your way to the beach. It's nice to tell you where to go for a change.
Oh no, I have a feeling this is Jambo Disco right here.
So it doesn't really look like I'm going anywhere tonight.